Welcome to the Youth Show with Professor Alex. So, today also we have got many questions from different students. So, let's start with the show.
So sir, I have had 8 to 10 rejections and I am losing the confidence. So sir, how will I recognize my weak links and rectify them systematically?
See, first of all, 8 to 10 rejections are very low. So first of all, you'll be happy that it's very low number, because now in this day and age, previously students used to apply 2 to 300 jobs before they used to get a proper good offer. Now with the recession or with the downturn, socio-economic tensions, with AI coming in, now people are applying 400 to 500 job offers. They are giving 20 interviews and then cracking the interview and getting the proper job. But yes, what can you do if you are constantly getting rejections? I think it's time to analyze. First, look at your CV. Is your CV machine readable in an ATS format? And is it like ATS 90 and above? So that's very important. Second is, in your CV, do you have properly formatted, properly written like languages or your expertise, your education? Is everything, your social activities like your extracurriculars, your contributions to society or hackathons, all those is it written properly, is it formatted, is it presented properly? So first, audit your CV. Second point is, I think, do a good background study of the company which you are going to join. Many times these are very common pitfalls. First of all, students don't make their CV stand out. They don't make their CV highlighted to reflect their potential. Second point is the students don't give importance to the company's background. So that is also very important. The company also wants to know, are you really interested in my company, or are you just appearing one by one? So what is the company's leadership? Is it stock listed? What is the stock price? Where are the headquarters? Where are the other locations? What is the line of business? Who are the competitors? What is the normal product price or product features? So these are very important when you are joining a company. And look at the news in the last 6 months to 1 year. If there has been something that is very exciting last 1 year, maybe they invented a new product or something, so that will be in the news things. So you must know that, so that you can tell that your company invented this or brought this new product to the market. I'm very excited about it. So it's very important. Second point is to learn the company well. The third point is, of course, the technical interview preparation. So again, now with the GenAI coming in any company, you can just write that, give me sample questions or sample 50 or 100 questions from a technical interview asked by this particular company. Write the name of the company. So GenAI will give you the HR interview questions, the technical interview questions, and keep on preparing. The name of the game is practice, 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 practice. Keep on preparing the HR interview, keep on preparing the technical interview, keep on preparing the company fundamentals, keep on preparing your CV. It should be ATS 90 plus format. And I think finally, it's very important, maybe you can ask a friend and all to see how your presentation is coming along. Are you fidgeting? Are you hesitating? These are looked at as that you are lying. So what we do in our organization, we say that students, if they write one line in the CV, it must be backed up with documents. Like if you write, I'm an expert in Python, so there must be either a Python certification or a Python related hackathon or somewhere that shows that yes, you are a Python expert. So that is very much required. And I think finally, it's about your presentation, your depth of work. if you are working in a project or co-author in a publication where you don't have sufficient knowledge, interviewers ask you 2-3 questions and they can understand that whether you have actually done the work or were you in a team but a silent player, like not a contributor. So that also is a very big no-no. And I think another important thing is, do you have career gaps? So that is also a big no-no. I once interviewed a candidate who had a 5-year career gap. I asked him that you have sat in hundreds of interviews, but you have a 5-year career gap. Has no one told you that this is a very big red flag to a potential interviewer or potential recruiter if you have a big career gap? So those things should be explained properly. Even if you have a career gap, you should be able to explain it properly. Better is try to enroll in some higher studies or start a startup, open a startup. It's a perfectly good explanation to say that I was studying for my master's or PhD, and then you can come back to the job market, or you were working on a startup but it's not your cup of tea, so you want to come back to the job market. But just saying that I sat unemployed and I was just applying and getting rejected, that's a big red flag to another new employer also. So these points are very important. If you prepare well, and if the company has proper requirement, they'll definitely consider you. Another point to note is that these recruitments are effectively competitions. So if a recruiter has, let's say, 5 positions and there are 50 candidates, so you will get rejected again and again because you have to be in the top 5, and those top 5 are not in any particular order. It's not that you have the highest marks. Even if you have the highest marks, you might not be selected. Or it's not that you are the most fluent or most eloquent. It's a combination, it's a package. So each recruiter is looking for different things. Some recruiter may be looking for project experience. Some recruiter may be looking for your fluency. Some recruiter may be looking or giving more importance to your internship experience. So it depends, but keep positive spirit and keep trying. That's the mark of a winner, that everybody fails, but a winner gets up after each failure. So it requires mental programming, but take it lightly. Don't take each attempt seriously and keep on doing it. And know that each and every successful person has hundreds of failures, if not thousands. So you are just another person, and keep trying. You will definitely succeed. Keep positive spirits. Okay. So students, viewers, keep watching our channel. I hope we can help you in your career. Let us know what you think in our comments. If you have new questions, let us know. We keep picking up new questions from our students, from our viewers in the comments section. And don't forget to subscribe in our channel. See you next time. Bye.